Good morning, students. Today we are going to see the lesson sorting materials into groups. Sorting means arrangement, that is, according to their category, materials we are arranging is called sorting materials into groups. See the first one, objects around us. See this picture, many of the objects are given here. So it is different shape. Some of them in round shape, some are in oval shape, so different shapes are present. For example, a rubber ball, football, glass marble, and round shape apples, orange, these are given in this picture. Next, see, let us say we wish to make a group of objects that are made of plastic made objects we are going to see now. They are buckets, lunch boxes, toys, water containers, pipes, and many examples are there. Now we are going to see about activity 1. What you are going to do means you collect some objects which is near to you and you have to categorize them according to their material. For example, there one table is given. See, in this object and materials they are made of is given. See, first one, plate. Plate can be made from steel, glass, plastic, wood, and many examples are there. Next one, pen. Pen can also be made from plastics, metal. Like this we can categorize the object and what they are made from. Next, in table 4.2 they have given many type of material, and from that material what objects we can be made also given. See the first one, wood. From the wood what we can make? We can make chair, table, fluff, pull-up cart and its wheel. Next, from paper, books, notebooks. From leather we can make objects like shoes. From plastics we can make plate and many other objects. From cotton, jeans, handkerchief, etc. So from these two tables we come to know that from objects we can make many material and from material we can make many objects. Next, we will see about properties of materials. Materials have many properties like appearance, hardness, and many properties are present. First, here we will see one girl is pouring the water in a cloth. What happens? Water comes down. Why the water comes down? Because cloth has a property of receiving the water. After absorbing, it comes down. But when we pour the water in a tumbler, it doesn't comes out because it has a property of not coming out. Okay. Next, we'll see the appearance. See, appearance. Materials always look different. Many types of materials are there. For example, copper, aluminium. It may be looking as same, but it has the property of different. You'll see this activity. In this activity, cutting pieces of materials to see if they have luster. That is, luster means shining. Many objects, it looks shining. See, in the picture they have cut the object, it looks shining. Like that, in near to your house also you can see many type of objects which shines. You can make a list which shines, which objects can shine, which objects do not shine. Okay students, you will get this worksheet as a PDF. Write the answer and send it to 6th Science Snaps group, timing from 6 p.m. to 8 p.m. Thank you students.